Hi, my name's Paul Scheidegger. I'm a dermatologist in the German-speaking part of Switzerland, and I have the great privilege to show you a great magnifying glass for dermatologists. We had small views in the vision, very poor lighting, non-dimmable light, and we had to remove the batteries or replace the batteries every 3 to 4 months. It has a homogeneous illumination. You have a very large field of vision, and it has 3.5 diopters, which is the optimal working distance for a dermatologist. It is easy to clean, you have great handling, and to boot, you can charge it through a USB connection. I've drawn you with a fluorescent marker on my hand, and you can see how it can be visualized without having to darken the room. A great feature that we can use in our routine diagnosis in dermatology. Can be used to safely store your magnifying glass. At the same time, you can charge it through a USB interconnection.